Today's question, kth missing positive number, easy question. Given an array positive integers sorted in a strictly increasing order. Okay, so sorted ascending order and an integer k. Return, okay, so numbers, positive numbers, integers, kth positive integer that is missing from this array. Kth positive integer that is missing from this array. The missing positive integer, so for example, 2, 3, 4, 7, 11. Missing ones are 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. The fifth missing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So return 9. So in this case, we return 9. Well, very naive way, is there any limit on k? So k is less than 1,000. So we could try to create an array of missing numbers up to 1,000 elements. So let's say the length max of missing array will be the length of the array plus 1,000, right? Because k can be up to 1,000. That means there will be 1,000 plus the length of the array elements. So 1,000 missing elements plus the actual elements that we have. So looping through 1,000 wouldn't really be too hard. So it's just a matter of build missing array, loop through number 1, return kth element. Okay, so if we just try to code this up, first we build up to the length of array plus 1,000. So this is the maximum we can go to. We could try to convert this into array into set, so that lookup can be of 1 time complexity. Then we only need to loop through 1,000 times. And next number, next integer, positive integer, if array I in array, we can skip. Otherwise, you can put it into missing. Or actually, we don't even need missing array at all. We can count, use the k. Every time we see a missing, we can decrement k until k becomes 0, then you can just return that element. So not sure why I'm getting integer array. What happens if I don't think there will be any case that will return -1 because we will eventually get to k equals 1000 if it's the largest number. So if k is 5, as in this case, it's going to pick 1, k becomes 4, 5k3, 6k2, 8k1, 9k0. So return 9. We cannot turn this into set. What's the error message here? I'll try to run it and see what the error message. Collections has no attribute set. Wait, isn't there hash set? Or am I getting it wrong? If I run it, oh, maybe it's just the syntax I highlighting. Okay, so there's one bug where I need to actually start from 1 up to 1000. So I need to do this instead. Submit. Okay, wrong answer. So I passed 70 test cases. Why wouldn't this return? Oh, okay. So I'm not iterating through I times. I'm only iterating up to 1000. So I just need to define I to be the, or actually I can just use k in the while loop. Okay. And then define I as 1. If I is already there, continue. Otherwise, decrement to k. I don't need this because we will get out of the while loop when k is 0. Instead, I also need to increment I here. So, and then in the end, I need to return I. So let's see. So in this case, 1 is not in there, so k becomes 4. I gets incremented to 2. So let's say k was 1. Then I need to return 1. But I is already 1 or 2. So actually I need to start from I equals 0 and then increment the I at the very beginning. So this is the number that I'm dealing with right now. So I equals 1. When it is not in the array, we decrement the k to indicate that's the missing number. When k becomes 0, we exit out and then I becomes the answer. Yes.